30 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ತನಿಖೆ ಎದುರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನ್ರಿ?
Nasipura MLA HD Revanna, the father of Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna, who is facing sexual abuse charges, has been granted conditional bail by a special court for elected representatives in Karnataka on May 12th. The bail was given in a case involving the alleged kidnapping of the sexual abuse victim with a surety of 5 lakh rupees. A detailed order is awaited. Revanna was arrested on May 4th by the Special Investigation Team probing the alleged serial sexual assault cases in Hassan. Following questioning by the SIT, Revanna was placed in judicial custody until May 13th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.